These are two distinct loft apartment living room designs. Both are crafted with a budget of $2,000 and a room dimension of 3.1 by 3.7 meters. We're set to compare and see which suits your taste better. Will it be the industrial interior design living room or the contemporary interior design living room? Let's find out. And if you're having a hard time choosing the best living room style for your home and you're working with a limited budget, this video is for you. In this video, we're taking on a unique challenge, designing two distinct living rooms, each with its own character and flair. When you hear the term industrial style, what images come to your mind? Well, this is renowned for its raw, edgy vibe and urban charm. On the other hand, the contemporary design, known for its sleek, modern aesthetic and clean lines. Both styles offer something unique. Throughout this video, we will show you how we transform these two living room styles using Amazon products with a modest budget. Link in the description below. Let's see how far $2,000 can go. Let's get started. We should first decide on the key activities that take place in this living room before we start decorating and arranging this area. If you want a cozy corner at the same time an entertainment area, this layout is perfect for you. The L-shape layout. This layout is named for its shape. The sofa is placed perpendicular to the TV, and the chairs are in front, creating an L shape. This layout has a nice spot to relax and the other part to watch TV or play games. It also allows for easy movement in your living room and is great if your walkway is on one side of the room. Now, it's time to choose the perfect color scheme. The best way to choose your accent colors is to take a look at your closet and see what color clothes you have in your closet. In an industrial-style home, the neutral color scheme rules. In particular, you will see many shades of gray and brown, but also plenty of black and white. We decided to use shades of gray, brown, burnt orange, and black. In a contemporary color scheme, neutral colors definitely rule in this style. You will see a lot of gray, beige, brown, black, and white. In fact, white walls are a great choice for contemporary rooms. In this style, we choose the shades of white, gray, beige, and black. At this point, we will start looking for furniture on Amazon that matches our chosen design styles and layouts. Let's start choosing furniture for our industrial design style living room. First, let's pick a sofa. This one looks perfect. This is a 72.5-inch vegan leather love seat sofa that costs $650. And for additional seating, let's add this AWQM brand tufted faux leather accent chair with arms that cost $180 for two. Next, to make the room more functional and aesthetic, we add this Ideal House brand 3-tier round side table that provides a convenient surface for placing items like drinks, books, vases, lamps, and other decorative items. This will cost $60. And let's pair this 2-tier modern industrial 41-inch large wood coffee table with a storage shelf that matches the side table's color and style. This will cost $76. To further enhance our living room's comfort, warmth, and style, we add this IInterior brand modern ombre area rug that will cost $37. And also this Eliona industrial table lamp that is perfect to place in our side table. And this hen and heart pulley system floor lamp with metal shade create a cozy ambiance even when you're reading your favorite book. This too will cost $156. We also added this Aloveco pin lights, costs $44. This have a remote control that you can use for easy adjustment of the room's brightness. And let's also add this industrial pendant lighting, priced at $108, which will further enhance the beauty of our industrial style living room. As of now, we have spent a total of $1,111. For the remaining budget, let's use this for the entertainment area and final touches. Let's pick this Vicello brand industrial television stand with open storage shelves. This will cost $95, and this is ideal for placing a television and other decorations. Now let's look for a television. This one is perfectly fit for our TV console. This is a Samsung 43-inch smart monitor and streaming TV that costs $301. For the final touch, let's add some decor, like steampunk, books, painting, and greenery. All of this will cost $69. Take note. Since it's an industrial interior design, we'll leave the window with no curtain. But if you want to cover it, consider using plain blinds that will complement the interior style. Now, we've surpassed the challenge of spending only $2,000 on this industrial interior design, and it's undeniable that a living room can be beautifully and properly arranged with this amount. Let's move on to arranging our contemporary interior design living room. First, let's start by finding the right sofa and accent chair for this design style. This 88-inch luxury modern sofa costs $540, and matching this with HomePop brand, modern metal frame accent chair is a great choice. This 2 accent chair will cost $416. Let's also add this Makeover brand, set of 4 neutral pillow covers, and Utopia throw pillow insert costs. $73 is perfect to our sofa and accent chair. To make the living area more comfortable, convenient, and visually appealing, we add this Smuxy brand black coffee table that costs $70 and pair it with this Lucky Slysick brand round side table that really matches each other that will cost $32. And let's browse for a rug. Oh, this one looks great. Let's pick this Deer Who Shag area rug that costs $43. And for privacy, light control, and aesthetic appeal, we can add this natural linen curtains that will cost $45. To offer both practical and decorative elements, let's add this black arc floor lamp that will cost $50. Also this IInterior ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling lights that cost $71. And for style, luxury, and statement, we add this Makeover LED chandelier, modern contemporary chandelier that will cost $140. Let's go to our entertainment area. Let's look for a perfect TV console. Let's choose this Friday Parts luxurious stand with multiple storage that costs $280 pair. With this Vizio 40-inch smart TV costs $168 that perfectly matches with our TV console. Since we've completed selecting our furniture, let's add the final touch by adding some decor, like vases, books, painting, and greenery. All of this will cost $72. We've successfully met the challenge of styling a contemporary interior design living room with just a $2,000 budget, proving that it's possible to achieve a beautiful and well-arranged space within this price range. Now, let's compare the two interior designs. Here we are, having explored 2 unique living room styles, each crafted with a $2,000 budget. It's truly fascinating to see how far creativity can take us in terms of budgeting. Now, what's your thoughts? Between the industrial and contemporary styled living rooms which caught your eye, what specific elements stood out to you? Share your favorites in the comments. I'm excited to see your picks. And don't forget to check out the list of products we mentioned. You'll find it in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to make a purchase. This helps support the channel and allows us to continue making videos like this. Thank you for your support.